Hello friends, so here we will study about conditionals. Conditional is a type of sentence that is made up of an if clause which we call condition, and the main clause which is your result. If clause is condition and the main clause is result. The sentence describes the situation that might happen or might have happened. It means it is telling something about which is you are not sure of. It might happen or might have happened. So usually this kind of sentence will starts with if or when. Is it clear? Now, some first one is for your zero conditional. So how you will make a sentence in zero conditional? First, you will add if, then your present simple if the sentence is, then again the present simple. Okay, this is for present simple I'm telling. So here, first very important thing that where to use zero conditional. Zero conditional is always refers to a situation that you are sure about, that is true and that is possible. You are not 50-50, you are actually sure about that this will happen. Of course, example that if it rains the ground wet, it is a sure thing that if it will rain the ground will get wet. If you heat ice it get melt. So you are sure about these two situations. So this is your zero conditional one. And one more thing, instead of using if, you can also write when. When it rains, the ground get wet. When you heat the ice, it melts. Now here is your first conditional. Zero conditional we have read that there you are sure about that this will definitely happen. So now first conditional is something, it is refers to a situation that is possible and that is realistic too. Your rule is you will write if again or present simple plus future simple. How? If I go to shop, it is present simple. That if you are going to shop, I will buy something. Future simple. That if you are going there, you will do this thing. If I study hard, present simple. I will pass my exams. So here, future simple. You are relating your present situation with the future one, whatsoever you are doing here, that you will get in your future. Is that clear? Now is your second conditional. The rule of making it is if. I have already mentioned instead of if you can also write when. Past simple plus would plus verb, the base form of the verb. So how you will create, and before that, what is your second conditional situation? It refers to a situation that is impossible or unlikely to happen. You are not sure about it is possible or not. It is 50-50 situation. Example, if I won the lottery, is it clear? I would buy a mansion. So if you will won a lottery, it is not sure that you will won or not. So if I will won a lottery, I will buy a mansion, a new house. If I were you, I quit smoking. If I were you, you can't be someone else. But if I were you, it's 50-50. I would quit smoking. So here you can see before comma, your situation or tense is past simple, won, were. You have added would over there. The future situation which is might, possible, not sure of. And of course the base form, whatsoever you are doing or want to do. Now the third conditional, the rule for making it is your if again, your past perfect, would have plus your past participle. So situation, which kind of situation is referring it is? Refers to a past situation. It refers to a past situation which is already happened, that differ from reality, and that is something which is differ from reality. It is not possible in real life. Example, If I had saved my money in your past, if you have saved your money, which can't possible, you can't go in your past to save money, I would have bought a car. If I had studied in past, if you had studied, you can't again go in your past and you can study. It is not possible actually, it is differ from reality. I would have passed my exams. Is it clear?